Trying to resolve a legal dispute but want to avoid a lengthy courtroom battle, you've likely heard of the terms mediation and arbitration, but what's the difference? And how do you know which one is right for you? Mediation is a voluntary process where a neutral third party, called a mediator, helps both sides communicate and negotiate toward a mutual agreement. The mediator doesn't make decisions, they just guide the conversation. Arbitration, on the other hand, is more like a private trial. An arbitrator, often a retired judge or an experienced attorney, hears both sides and makes a binding decision. Think of it as a courtroom alternative, but usually faster and less formal. Here are some key differences. In mediation, you control the outcome. In arbitration, the arbitrator decides. Mediation is informal and flexible. Arbitration is structured and often follows legal procedures. Mediation is usually less expensive. Arbitration costs more, but still less than a full trial. And finally, mediation is non-binding. Arbitration is typically binding. You're legally stuck with the result. So when should you consider mediation or arbitration? Use mediation if you want to preserve a relationship like a current employer or a business partner. Use arbitration if you need a definitive resolution but want to avoid court delays and public exposure. Sometimes your employment contract may already require one of these options, so always check the fine print. Here are a few legal strategies to keep in mind. Prepare like it's a trial, especially for arbitration. Facts, documents, and timelines matter. Know your goals before entering mediation. What's your ideal outcome and your bottom line? Stay professional and calm. Emotions can tank negotiations, and don't face it alone. A lawyer can help you frame your arguments, spot red flags, and protect your rights. Mediation and arbitration can be powerful tools for resolving workplace disputes without the stress of a courtroom. Want help navigating your options? Our legal team is here to guide you every step of the way.